Welcome, and thank you for using ThinkingApp. ThinkingApp is a Chrome extension used by teachers and students to keep track of which websites students use while working on certain assignments. It tracks the current tab you are on when using Google Chrome and keeps track of how many minutes you spend on each site. The list of sites you used and the time spent on each will be turned in with your assignment. This helps your teacher learn how you are learning. ThinkingApp should be installed by the network administrators at your school if your class will be using it for an assignment. To make sure ThinkingApp is installed, you will see a gray icon in the Extensions section of the Chrome window on the upper right of the screen. When you are working on an assignment and you've been asked to use ThinkingApp, you need to turn on logging. Open your Google Doc assignment. When ThinkingApp is installed, you should see two additional gray buttons in the menu bar, Start Logging and Turn in Logs. When you are ready to begin the assignment, click on Start Logging. You may see this screen, which asks you to log into your Google account if you are not already. Next, you see the ThinkingApp tab, which asks you to enter your access code. Enter the access code your teacher gave you to let ThinkingApp know which course and assignment you are logging for. You should see the course and assignment here. Click Close tab to return to your Google Doc. Now, click on Start Logging again. This dialog box confirms your assignment. Click OK. The Start Logging button changes its name to Stop Logging. Notice also that the ThinkingApp icon in the extension section is now red. Whenever that icon is red, ThinkingApp is logging. Now, you can work on your assignment in the Google Doc, or you can research using any other tabs. ThinkingApp keeps track of which sites you go to and how long you spend on them. If you need to stop logging the sites, go back to your Google document and click Stop Logging. When you do, you are brought back to the ThinkingApp tab with the list of sites and times that have been logged. Here, you have the opportunity to remove any sites that you consider off track. For example, if you quickly went to Facebook or checked your email. Click on the red X on the left of each entry that was off track and it will be removed from your list. When finished, click on Close tab to close that list and return to your assignment if it is still open. If your project takes a long time, you can start and stop logging each work session. You can log your sites while at school and while working on projects at home if you're using the same Chromebook. Note that if you are working on your assignment and realize that you forgot to turn on logging, just turn on logging when you remember. In this version of ThinkingApp, you can log your sites from multiple assignments. For example, if you have to now log sites for an English assignment, you can do this. Go to your Google Doc and click Start Logging. The dialog box shows the last assignment you logged for. If you want to change to a different assignment, click Cancel. Enter the access code for your other assignment. The course and assignment is added to the table of assignments. Click Close tab to return to your document and click Start Logging to start logging. When you are on the ThinkingApp tab, you can switch between your assignments by selecting them in the Assignments table. When you are finished with a project and are about to submit your assignment, you should turn in the logs. Make sure you are not logging. When you click Turn in Logs, ThinkingApp will confirm which assignment you want to turn in. If it is correct, click OK. ThinkingApp will attempt to save your list of sites to the database. The button will change to Sending Logs. If they are turned in correctly, after a moment it will say Log Sent. When you successfully turn in the logs, it will clear them so the list will start empty if you need to log for this assignment again. You can quickly get back to the ThinkingApp tab by clicking on the ThinkingApp drop-down menu and then clicking on View Full Screen. Note that you can also start logging, stop logging, and turn in logs from this tab, which is especially useful if your assignment does not require a Google Doc. When you are completely finished with your assignment, you can remove it from the assignment table by clicking Remove. Thank you for using ThinkingApp.